Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to make your computer run faster than before and boost your PC performance. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are brand new to this channel, remember to click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Alright, so the very first thing you want to do on your Windows keyboard, what you need to do is to press Windows plus R. Then having pressed Windows plus R, this dialog run box is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to make sure you type in this particular words into this dialog box. So msconfig, and make sure you hit on OK, and this is going to pop up. Next thing you need to do is to go to boost, then go to advanced options, and then make sure you check on number of processor. Then come down below right here, make sure you put it in higher. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply come down below right here and hit on OK. Then restart your PC. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.